According to General Manager of the Public Transport Service Corporation, Patrick Gomez, there has not been any major dent in PTSC's operational costs despite rising fuel costs over the years. Speaking during a Public Administration and Appropriations Committee on fuel prices, he said this is due to the corporation's switch to CNG buses and by extension diesel-powered buses.
We have about 20% CNG in our daily operational fleet. That price did not change over the period. And we have about 80% diesel, and that price changed smaller than in terms of super and premium. So the impact, yes, there was an increase and there was impact, but it wasn't as significant in terms of PTSC and public transportation.
Mr. Gomez added that PTSC also implemented an idling policy where buses would be turned off between trips.
In the past, they would have left buses for, hours idling, doing nothing. So we have policies internally that would have addressed those factors in terms of emissions and in terms of cost.
He said there are certain areas where CNG would be unable to be used, especially in rural areas, but said it is used as far as is possible. Mr. Gomez said PTSC is also in constant collaboration with NGC CNG to ensure the reliability of CNG at its station.
There is a plant there and it from time to time goes down. When it goes down, those buses are rendered out of service. So that is something that we are working with CNG CNG to address.
Asked whether PTSC would be looking to increase fares, he said this is a decision that's not solely up to the corporation.
The subvention we got this year was 288.5 million, right, with respect to it. And obviously that has an impact. So the fare structure, we will have an input, we could recommend and so on, but that decision is at a higher level.
Sunil Lalla, TTT News.